So today I'm going to show you guys how to do a trunk pan on a 71 Chevelle. Here is the trunk pan that we're going to replace. We're going to start by removing the gas tank first. You don't want any sparks igniting any fumes. Gas tank is now removed from the car. Now I can get up and close and personal with the bottom. This why he's here. The frame, the trunk brace where the bushing go is completely rusted out. Same with the passenger side. I literally peeled all that up with my hand. These aluminum pieces and fiberglass to fix the trunk. Like I say, you're gonna do what you can afford or have the ability to do. Was this right or wrong? I'm gonna leave that up to y'all. But I know one thing, if it was my car and I ain't know how to weld or all that shit and I was broke before my trunk looked like this, I would have did the same thing. Now this is what it looks like with all those repairs removed. Now you can really see how bad the trunk pan is. Now that the old trunk pan is removed, we can start working on these frame braces. First, we'll start by removing this nut from that bolt. This is where it has to screw in now. Okay, so when I took the mounts off, big ass holes on the frame. If it's holes on the frame like that, then it won't allow you to bolt the new bushing back in. So, bam, I had to put a cap on it, weld that in, then I'll be allowed to put the braces back in. Stay tuned, let me burn these in. Now I can go ahead and put the bushings onto the new access holes. Then we go ahead and lay the new panel on top of the bushing. You want to come first with the new screw. These are the old screws, but I wire wheeled them down and added grease so they don't seize into the bushing. Don't forget to add the washer. So bolt that down first. Then you go ahead with your welder and start to weld this in. Now we have the rear frame rail braces welded in, with the bushings holding everything in place. I also went ahead and welded the gas tank straps in and painted all of that bull crap. So now, this is the fun part. And once all the braces are put in, you can begin to place the trunk pan pieces in one by one, starting with that middle panel first. Once you place the middle panel in, you can either go left to right or right to left. Totally up to you. So, once the panel is placed in, make sure you weld the panel to the brace. If you don't weld the panel to the brace, it's going to do this. When you hit bumps, and it's going to drive you crazy. So just weld the floor to the braces, and you'll all be in the game. Like I said before, you start with the middle, then you weld it to the braces. As you can see, rosette welds. Then you start to weld the trunk pan to the trunk. Now I can go ahead and do the left or right or right or left. Remember, it's up to you. Now the left and right sides are welded in. And I went ahead and seam sealed it. And I also fixed those patches that was at the top. It was holes there. The floor trunk pan don't go that far. Everything's complete. Even check out the bottom. See, those braces are welded in. New bushings. Looks pretty good under here now. Now all I have to do is put the gas tank back on and salvage those gas tank straps. And it's a complete mission. But you guys get the picture. I'm not going to get that on camera, 'cause